Customer states my engine vibrates a lot. Quick oil check, and we don't have any real level on the dipstick. Hard to see the vibration, but the engine is vibrating the entire cabin. That's because the engine is sagging so far down that it's rubbing onto the subframe. This happens when the engine mounts are broken. Here's how a damaged mount looks. And here is the replacement. I'm also doing the transmission mount. Mounts over time just go bad. They aren't made to last forever. You can see a huge difference on how high it's sitting now. This torque mount still looks good, so no point in replacing it. This has to be the greatest before and after repairs I've ever done. Drives so good.